So, I'll, I'm gonna give a little information about sneezing, then explain it, and I'm gonna ask you the question. All right, so I was, digging as a little lady, digging up some research on sneezing, like kind of like what's the purpose behind it and whatnot, and I got it from Healthline.com. So why do we sneeze? So it says sneezing it's a mechanism your body uses to clear the nose. All right, so it says when foreign matter enters the nostrils, the nose may become irritated and tickled. When this happens, our body does what it needs to do to clear the nose. It causes a sneeze. All right, it says a sneeze is one of our body's first defenses against. So that was big. A sneeze is one of our body's first defenses against invading bacteria and bugs. All right, so a sneeze is one of our body's first defenses against invading bacteria and bugs. The sneeze can carry with it many microbes which spread diseases like flu. Sneezing forces out mucus and air from our nose. And what mucus does, it traps germs. All right, so mucus traps germs. So, and it says sometimes bacteria and allergens can cause too much mucus to form, and that blocks the opening of your sinuses. I did a little digging on that. Why when your sinuses open, it was pretty important, but I'm not gonna get into that part. But and then some of us say a sneeze resets the entire nasal environment. So everything that goes on up in here, all right, everything that goes on up here, it doesn't have the same effect on people with sinusitis. So people with sinusitis is like what it is. It's an infection that occurs when your sinuses and your nasal passages become inflamed. All right, so when it's something to be inflamed, it means it's kindled or excited by passions and desires. So it's kindled or excited. All right, so when he led me to look that up, all that stuff about sneezing, what happened was just going through this. You already know about the week, going through the week, going through this like kind of like this test of temptation or whatnot, and resisting temptation or whatnot. And it was Friday. That was working, putting stocking stuff up, and throughout the whole day, I started off like went out there and it was like just like I told you, a cold, chill air. So that the air was cold in the morning. Then when I got into the store, it was thick, and I knew like it was like demonic presence, demonic activity going on. So it was thick in there, and the whole day, it's just I had a lot of mental warfare going on. So a lot of things going on in my mind. I was trying to pull my thoughts in different directions, had me thinking of the things that I shouldn't be thinking about, and I was just wrestling with it all day, and I was continually praying to the Spirit, resisting and casting down thoughts that are coming in, imaginations, everything that the Word says about it. But I came to a point where I was working, I was still resisting, but I was working. And while I'm working, sometimes I can't pray the whole time. But while I was working, all the thoughts were coming in. And there came a point where I sneezed. I said, after I sneezed, it was like I sneezed and my mind just became clear. I didn't have all those thoughts. I wasn't wrestling with all those thoughts. I had peace in my mind. And I sneezed. And all those thoughts would start rushing in, and I was able to focus. I just had like incredible focus. I was like, wait a minute, dang. I didn't have no thoughts anymore. I was just really focused. And it was like for a quick moment, I was just focused, and I had peace in my mind. So I did, and I said, So I went back to do it, and the Lord said, He said, be mindful. I was like, be mindful. He said, be mindful of what just happened. What just happened? I was wrestling with all these thoughts, casting down thoughts and whatnot, and dealing with all these things. And I sneezed, and I had peace in my mind. And all of a sudden, I could think, I could focus, and I was clear. All right, so He wanted me to read that. So now, let's just pray in spirit with me a little bit. A spiritual sneeze. Spiritual sneeze. Thus says the Lord, my children need to take a spiritual sneeze. They need to sneeze out all this worldliness that they've let in. They need to sneeze out all this tradition that they've let in. Things that they've been taught, that they've learned, that they've adapted to, that they walked in. They need to sneeze it out. Be clear. Focus towards me and walk with me. If you're not with me, you're against me. If you're not with me, you're against me, says the Lord. My children, my people, need to sneeze out of this religion. They need to sneeze out of this tradition. They need to sneeze out the ways of the world. They need to sneeze out conformity. You are a friend of the world, you are not a friend of mine. If you are a friend of the world, you are an enemy to me. Sneeze out the things of the world. The things of the world lie in the hands of Satan. Anybody that's in the world, that walks in the way of the world, lies under the sway of Wiccan. Do not be a part of them. Come out from among them and be a part of me. Walk with me, abide in me, stay with me, live with me, dwell with me, walk with me, walk together with me. I love you, I care for you. I do not want to see you go the way of the world. I do not want you to be an enemy, but I want you close. I made the way that you can come close to me, so you can draw nigh to me, so you can dwell with me, so you can be with me, so you can rest with me. Sneeze out the world. Be separate. Come out from among them and be separate. Be apart from them. Have no part with them. Have no part with the ways of the world. Separate yourselves. You are called to holiness, walk to holiness. The time has come, the time is now. Satan has accused you all, and he seeks to destroy you all. Sneeze out his ways and walk towards my ways. He is coming to destroy. He is coming to kill my people. But I want to see none of you perish. I want to see none of you perish. And I am here ready for protection. I'm ready to fight. Sneeze out the ways of the world so that he has no room, so that he has no access to you, so that he has no waypoint, so he has nothing to accuse you of. Sneeze it out. Take in my ways and walk in my ways. Repent. Come to me. Walk with me. Save the Lord. Walk with me, save the Lord. That's it. That's all you want to say.